So today I am preparing a partial leftover and partial fresh dish, which is stir-fried rice with vegetables. So I've chopped up some red bell peppers, some green bell peppers, some onion. I have my wok heating up over here, a little bit past medium. I am going to pour some extra virgin olive oil in the wok. It's nice and hot. Got a little smoky burn off in there going. I am going to scoop in some minced garlic. Ooh, a generous amount too. Probably 2 tablespoons. And I am going to quickly drop in the vegetables. And I'm gonna turn my fan on. It's a lot of smoke. And find my wooden spoon. Stir it a little because you definitely don't want your garlic to burn. I'm going to put some Mediterranean sea salt in and some peppercorns. Season that real well. And we like a lot of pepper. Season that. Stir it. Ooh, smells so good. Get that all stirred up. And this is a real quick fry, probably, I don't know, 6 minutes or less. The time it takes to make this video. I have some, this is my leftover portion. So leftover rice that we had yesterday with the chili, just some white rice. This is what they mean when they say stir fry. So rice has already been cooked and left over from a day or two. So I'm going to scoop that out and mix that in as well. Quick meal. Carlos and I are gonna have lunch, and then we're gonna hit the streets. So that's it. That's all. Have a good day. Thank you. So this is the stir-fried vegetables. Alright. That's so good. They're simmering for about 4 minutes. Give it 2 more minutes. I'm gonna plate it and then sprinkle a little more salt and pepper, and then that will be that.